What up, world? Established Rich coming right back at you again. Let's check out a video of R.I.C.H's testimony today.
And on your Instagram profile is a featured story you call Lifestyle, right?
It is.
All right.
Wait, would you repeat the name is Relly what?
Relly Boss.
Boss.
Boss. Like you, Boss.
My lifestyle has nothing to do with this man.
Don't volunteer anything. Just answer the questions.
And under the lifestyle features, the cover photo of the lifestyle feature in your Instagram is a thumbnail image of a private jet, right?
I think that was the jet I was on with Jabari, but yeah.
Okay. Again, going back to this because you just told this jury that portraying a lavish lifestyle with extreme wealth is not important to you.
I mean, it's not. There's so much other important things in life, but I mean, you need money.
Okay. There is on that lifestyle portion of your Instagram is several photos. Let me show you a few. One is the fence above now.
The next in order? Diaz and David.
That's something you posted, right? You put it up.
Well, what is it?
Okay. It's a photo from his Instagram lifestyle. It's one of the 7.
Dated when?
Dated December, we'll get to the case, don't be worried, Mr. Pepperoni. December 29th, 2022. That's you posting a private jacket, right?
Okay.
Okay. And what you wrote there, if it ain't about money, ain't liking you.
No, it says Lincoln.
Ain't Lincoln?
Linkin.
My
Yeah.
wow.
Like, why don't you show on my Instagram? I'm already getting death threats. People threatening my daughter. Like, what's going on here?
Who gave you that, Mr. Pepperoni?
The whole world.
The world threatened you? The whole world gave you
Because
that?
of what you're saying.
Because I'm asking you a question on your Instagram.
Because you're saying I'm extortionist and all of this, and you're putting my whole life on. This is getting really annoying.
No one is calling you an extortionist. You're
Yeah,
going to
so
get,
what
you're,
does this have to
Mr.
do
Efron,
with the
you're going to
kids?
get through a lot faster if you just answer the questions. If somebody asks an improper question, I won't allow it to go forward. If you're being asked a question that's lawful in a courtroom, just answer it. Even if it makes you mad, even if you don't see the point of it, just answer the questions as truthfully as you can, regardless of who asks. Please do that, okay? Yes?
Yes.
So what did you mean by if it ain't about money, I ain't linking you? What does that mean?
I don't know. It's a phrase.
And what did you mean by it? You posted it, wasn't it?
Nothing.
How about this next one? This is defense
He isn't ever.
He is next. From your Instagram lifestyle. That's you, sir, in Mercedes with the caption, "More funds is the focus right now." And that's June 5th, 2023.
Hey, what's wrong with that?
Mr. Efron, I'm answering your question. I'm not saying anything's wrong.
Okay, what's up?
What do you mean by that? More funds is the focus right now.
I mean, trying to get successful. Like, what do you mean? I do private equity. I do a lot of things, but I don't understand these questions. Why am I answering questions about my Instagram?
Well, you talked a lot about your lifestyle yesterday, about your business, and right now you're trying to private equity, which we'll get to, and how you earn your money, right? We're talking about that. So you just said your portraying a lavish lifestyle is not important to you. Mm-hmm. So I'm talking about some of the postings on your Instagram, like this next one.
But Instagram is a place of, like, I don't see how you basing me as a person off my Instagram.
Let's take it.
All right. This whole thing is just a mess. Let's read some of what TMZ had to say. This is them describing ASAP's lawyer While Joe asked what seemed like basic questions about whether Relly was telling the truth during his Wednesday testimony, when he said he loved Rocky, Relly repeatedly says he doesn't understand the question, asks what the questions have to do with anything, and tries to volunteer more than a yes or no answer. The exchange got so decisive, Tacopina and Relly started raising their voices at one another, and the judge in the case called for a 10-minute break. Eyewitnesses tell us the judge then had to explain to Relly how he's supposed to conduct himself in court after the emotional testimony. Obviously, it's been a difficult week for Relly, Rocky, Rihanna, and everyone else involved in the proceedings. Relly testified on Tuesday and Wednesday, claiming his life has been a living hell since the alleged shooting went down. And my opinion on it is that he thought so hard about the money, he forgot what it required for him to get the money, which is to get up and testify and be a informant. That's pretty much it. He wants to take the stand now and act like he's being harassed, and you're already a public figure by being a part of the ASAP mob. Now he's claiming he's getting death threats and he wants somebody to feel sorry for him when he just admitted that he chased after somebody who he thought had a gun and could potentially take his life. Like, this guy is pitiful. It makes no sense. This is not about snitching. This is about honesty and dishonesty. Him claiming that he showed up and found the shell casings hours after the police had already searched the scene. And now he probably wishes that he could take this whole thing back, but it's already went forward. He's being exposed. His inaccuracies are being exposed, and he's looking like exactly what he is, an extortionist. That's exactly what's being done. Compensation for these so-called injuries, he claimed that the bullet scraped his knuckles, and that's where the injuries came from on his hands. That doesn't sound realistic. But I think what he's done after the initial exchange is just egregious. Like, the lying, the showing back up to the scene, the claiming that the guy who shows up 30 minutes prior to him is not him. Like, it's crazy. You know, I take back what I said before. There's no way a jury, in my opinion, could convict ASAP Rocky with all the holes in the quote-unquote victim's story. The fact that he doesn't want to be truthful. The fact that he's becoming hostile when he's being asked yes or no questions. There's no way that a jury, in my opinion, could convict ASAP Rocky of this by the witness and victim not being forthright on the stand. You know, I think that derails any chance he has of getting a guilty verdict in a criminal proceeding, which I think would X out anything he would get in a civil proceeding. So that's my opinion on it. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, establish rich. You know, I'll be back at you with another one soon. Peace.